Presentation will be started in few seconds. Be ready. Start. Since independence, great progress has been made in the field of posts and telegraphs. In this development, the village, and not merely the city, was the target of concentration. Thousands of new post offices have been set up in the countryside, so that today every village with a population of 2000 or above has a post office. The Communication Ministry's target is to bring the post office within 3 miles of every Indian, irrespective of the remoteness of this village. Para. In other fields, namely those of telephone, wireless communication, etc., progress has been equally commendable. Telephone exchanges are being automatized so as to do away with manual exchanges. Automatic exchanges are already working in several places like Delhi, Bombay, Madras, etc. In Calcutta too it has started working. The next places to be taken up are Lucknow, Patna, Jaipur, Ajmer, Gwalior and Coimbatore. It is proposed to install high-power wireless transmitters at Calcutta, Bombay, Madras and New Delhi, and strengthen the coastal wireless stations. The all-round expansion of the wireless network will cost Rs 57 lakh. The Indian Telephone Industries factory at Bangalore has already started supplying automatic exchange equipment. A telephone cable factory is in the offing at Chittaranjan and a teleprinter factory is proposed to be set up soon. Para. This record of progress is indeed very satisfactory. Nevertheless, quite a lot has yet to be achieved. I am glad that the posts and telegraphs is conscious of this fact and does not propose to rest on its oars. It is concentrating on its 5-year plan, of which expansion and modernization are the slogans. In the plan, Rs 48 crore are earmarked for capital outlay. The objectives of the development plan include the opening of a telegraph office in every town of 5,000 or more, in every subdivisional headquarter and in every thana or police station, irrespective of its size. Every district headquarter and every town of the 30,000 or more will have a telephone exchange by this year. Trunk facilities will be extended to every subdivisional headquarter as well as to every town having population of 20,000 or more. A large number of public call offices are to be opened. Lastly, the welfare of workers is a cardinal principle with the P&T department. Their working conditions will be improved and a definite number of them will have been provided government accommodation by next year. About the importance of modern communications, nothing much need be said, for the telegraph, the telephone and the wireless, which have ended time and distance, are the principal characteristics of the present age. Thanks for watching.